The tour has kicked off. Things are going well. This is a real experiment for us, really. It's the first time we've brought our boys on a tour. I know that some of the boys, it's their first time abroad. It's the first time they've been on a ferry, and they're just growing as people, and it's lovely to see that. So we're at Menin Gate in the centre of Ypres. Every night of the year, apart from Christmas Day, there is a last post ceremony here, and we were honoured to be able to take part in it tonight.
Dwi byth wedi fod I rhywbeth fel hyn, hyd yn oed heb o'n I Boys Aloud. Felly, teimlad gwahanol iawn, teimlad bach yn drist, a rhywbeth byddai'n gofio am weddill fy mywyd.
Mae o mor rhyfedd I feddwl, 100 mlynedd yn ôl, swn I, neu un o brodyr fi o leia, ella sa un o enwa ni fama rwan, oherwydd sa ni wedi gorfod dod draw. Fi erioed I canu mewn rhywle mor prydferth a hyn, a mae'n jyst hollol wahanol I beth dwi wedi arfer yma mewn cor, a mae'n jyst yn anhygoel a bod fi wedi gallu gael profiad fel yma.
We've been to the Artillery Wood Cemetery where Hyddwyn is buried, and what was really struck me was how silent the boys were, how moved they were, and the ages on those gravestones that you see, you know, lads of 19, 18, and I think it's really made an impact on the boys.
A lot of boys were older than me by a year or two, or younger than me by a year or two, signing up, and really everything that I'm sort of worried about doesn't really matter when you consider the fact they were heading straight into gunfire across no man's land, you know, worrying if they'll ever see their mum and dad again.
It was just powerful. It was incredibly emotional, and to just stand there but then again there was a sense of emptiness because we were singing to the dead, you know, and. But no, it was very emotional to sing in front of Hyddwyn and to sort of honour his name and his work and everything about him.
Da ni'n paratoi I wneud cyngerdd yn y Gadeirlan yn St Martin. So mae'n dipyn o bethau I wneud, mae gyda ni ryw awr I gael yn barod a cael 120 o hogiau I newid a felly.
Mae'n bwysig, mae'n special iawn. Tro cyntaf I Boys Aloud perfformio ar dydd tramor, a dyn ni'n neud e mewn cadeirlan gothic arbennig, sain anhygoel yna hefyd, lle bydd yn lot o ddadgrau fi siwr.
Roedd yn arbennig I weld pawb yn gwerthfawrogi sut o'n ni wedi canu yn ganeuon o cartref ni. Roedd e'n gwych.
they offer so much experiences and opportunities for us, and I think it's really great that we came to Ypres, and especially since we are that age that they were when they travelled to here as well, which is really special.
We just sang in front of, I'd say, a good couple of hundred people, remembering those who died in the First World War, and I think it was a very emotional experience as we had a standing ovation in pretty much every performance, and it was definitely worthwhile.
Oedd o reit emosiynol canu yma heddiw, oherwydd efo be da ni wedi gweld heddiw ar gyd o'r ceneuon a be maen nhw'n golygu, mae o'n cyffwr ar y ni, a dwi'n meddwl bod o'n cyffwr ar pawb arall hefyd.
But singing is about so much more than just notes and words. It's about emotion, it's about really connecting with what you're singing. Singing is so important to us as a nation. It has given us a voice in our darkest times. Well, I know they sang in the trenches. They sang just before they went over the top. It happens to us all if we're away from home and you hear Myfanwy. And to be able to introduce the boys to that concept is nothing but a privilege.